Let's learn about a new and a very important feature called as the backstage view, which was introduced in the Microsoft Excel 2010 and is available in the later versions as well. Let's go to the backstage view. Click on the File tab. The screen that you see now is called the backstage view. Backstage view consists of these various tabs that you can see here. Let's start to explore the backstage view by creating a new file. Click on the New button, which displays the screen. This screen lets you create a blank workbook, a workbook based on a template, or a workbook based on an existing workbook. To create a new blank workbook, click on the Blank Workbook button and then click the Create button. You can also create a new file by a keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl and N. Click on the File tab again to go back to the backstage view. Click on the Recent tab. On this screen, only the most recently used 50 files are listed. Each file in the Recent Workbooks list displays a pushpin icon on the right. Click the pushpin icon and that file becomes pinned to the list and will always appear at the top of the list. This handy feature ensures that important files always appear on the Recent Workbooks list, even if you haven't opened the file recently. When we click on the pushpin icon, it gets unpinned. Similarly, the pushpin function can be used for the folder as well. Click on this pin in front of the folder. Click on the pin again to unpin it. Let's click on the Info tab. You can view or modify the document properties for the active workbook in the right-hand corner. This information includes items such as the author, title, subject, and so on. It also has a few more options here, like the security warning section, which allows you to set a password for a file. We will go through this in detail in the further videos. Click on the Print tab. This screen deals with the various options regarding printing a file. Click on Save and Send tab. These options allow you to save a file in PDF or XPS format or to send it via email. And there are some general functions like saving and closing a file. Click on the File tab to go back to the normal view. You can close a file using a shortcut. Just press Ctrl and F4. This concludes our tutorial on understanding the backstage view.